Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna be talking about how I got rid of my acne. I understand that if you haven't gone through this, you might not understand what I'm talking about, or you might not relate to me. So I get if you want to click out of this video, it's completely fine. I'm gonna start with a little bit of a backstory and then I'm gonna explain basically what I did to get rid of it. If you don't want to listen to my backstory and you just want to know how I got rid of my acne, I'll put the timestamp right here. I started having acne when I was like in 7th grade. It started off with a few pimples and it honestly got so much worse in like 2 or 3 years. It completely affected my mental health. I hated going out. I hated stepping out of the house without like shitloads of foundation on my face. It got much worse in like 9th and 10th, which was when I had boards in 10th, and because of the stress and everything, I wasn't sleeping right, I wasn't eating right, and it just got much worse. And it really took a toll on my self-esteem. Like, I honestly hated how it made me feel. I was not confident at all, and it just made me so sad. Like, every morning I would get up, I would look at the mirror in my bathroom, and I would feel disgusted at what I saw. And honestly, if you've known me around that time in 9th and 10th grade when I had like severe acne, you would know that any picture that I posted was filled with editing and filled with lights that you could barely even like see my facial features because it was so edited. And that was solely because I didn't feel confident about having acne at all. It made me feel like absolute shit, and it made me feel so sad that like my face looked like that. And honestly, at that time, everybody, not a lot of people my age had acne. Like, I suffered from acne from 7th to 11th grade, and throughout that I can only name like a handful of people that had acne, honestly. And my mom has clear skin, my dad has clear skin, and it was just me that didn't have clear skin, and it just made me super sad. And honestly, like, if you have acne or if you have had acne, then you know that even if you put on a lot of foundation on your face, you can still see the texture. So even when I had like severe acne and I would put like shitloads of foundation on my face, you could still see the texture of my skin, because it's not going to be smooth, it's not going to look airbrushed. You can still see the texture of the bumps under your foundation. And honestly, that made me even more sad. Like, I would put my acne treatment, I would put my cream, I went to so many dermats, I spent so much money on trying to make my acne better, but nothing seemed to work, and it just got worse and worse. And I would put layers and layers of foundation on my face, and in turn that just made my acne worse. But there was nothing that I could do about it, because I'm super outgoing, but there was no way that I'm going to go out of my house and not put foundation on my face and not try to hide my acne, because that's how insecure I was. Honestly, I'm brown and my relatives didn't make it any better. Like, they would be, if I met them like 1 or 2 years after like I hadn't seen them in a while, and then I met them 1 or 2 years later, like, they would make sure to point out everything that was wrong with my face. Like, honestly, oh my god, I solely believe in this, that if somebody can't fix something about their face in the next 10 seconds, please don't point it out, because it hurts. Trust me, like, my relatives would point it out. Like, I didn't know what was going on with my face, and it hurt. And not just my relatives, even like people that I went to school with, or even other people would like point it out, like it didn't hurt me or I didn't have feelings. And it honestly made my self-esteem go even lower, and I was just super sad. And I've made an Instagram post about this, and I kind of just wanted to elaborate on that in this video. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you totally should, and I'll put my Instagram post right here. Honestly, more than anything, my acne was super painful. It was so bad. Like, every time I would sleep, like, it would hurt. Like, suppose this is my pillow and I sleep on this side, it would genuinely hurt. Like, it was so painful. And I had braces on top of that, so I was that kid in school that had braces and acne, so everybody had a reason to look at me. And this was in like 9th or 10th grade. This is me when I'm like 15 years old, and It was so bad. I've gone to so many dermas, they've done so many chemical peels on me, and nothing was working. Like, genuinely nothing was working. I was super demotivated. I didn't want to go out. I always wanted to stay at home, and it was just super bad. By the way, if I keep looking here, it's because like I have my laptop here and I've written like a few points so I don't forget what I'm talking about. So I'm also making this video so that somebody watches this and feels a little less alone, because honestly, like, when I was struggling with acne, I would go on YouTube and I would look at all the acne recovery like videos of people, and honestly that would make me so happy and that would make me feel super motivated. Like, if this person can do it, so can I. And I would just tell myself that if her acne got better or his acne got better, my acne would get better. And I honestly wish that somebody watches this video and feels the same way, and that's why I wanted to make it, because trust me, if I can fix my acne, so can you. So now how I got rid of my acne. So I was put on Accutane by my dermat. I was put on it for 9 months and I had the 20 mg dose. And I'll just read out what Accutane is if you don't already know. I'm kind of bad at explaining things, so I'll just read it out and I'll also put it on the screen right here. So Accutane is a form of vitamin A. It reduces the amount of oil released by the oil glands in your skin and helps your skin renew itself more quickly. I know that a lot of people are against Accutane because of the side effects that it has, but honestly, if somebody was to ask me if even with the side effects, was it worth it, 100% yes, it was worth it. Because trust me, I've gone to a million dermats, I've gone to like a million places, I've done so many peels, I've tried so many different medicines and creams, and nothing seemed to work until Accutane. But also please know that do your research about this properly, and please go to a really good dermat. Ask them if Accutane would be good for your kind of treatment, because again, everybody's skin is different, not everything works for everyone. So, and trust me, your dermat knows best. So ask them if it'll be good for you, ask them if it'll suit your skin. The first thing I did honestly was I got a blood test and my hormones were out of control. So that's when I did a blood test, and that's when my dermat knew for sure that we were going to start an Accutane. I had to continue my blood tests every 3 months, including my treatment, to make sure everything was going smoothly. Even with the side effects, Accutane was completely worth it because it changed my skin completely. But please do your research. Do not buy, put anything on your face without consulting a professional, consulting a dermat, please. Obviously, the most common side effects of Accutane are dry skin, itching, nosebleeds, dry mouth, dry lips, joint pain, headaches, all of that. I honestly, throughout the 9 months that I used Accutane, I honestly always had a lip balm in every bag that I had. I had a lip balm in my tuition bag, in my school bag, in like my wallet. I always had a lip balm. And if you knew me around that time, you know that I always had a lip balm, and I still do always have a lip balm. A lot of people who have had acne or have acne know that with any treatment that you try, your skin usually tends to get worse before it gets better. So that's what happened to me with Accutane. I tried it for 9 months, and initially in the beginning of the process, my skin was so dry, it was peeling, it hurt, my lips were so dry, it hurt, and honestly, like, it was really bad, but it did get better. I mean, I have no makeup on right now and you're looking at my skin right now, and it is so much better. I'm so thankful for Touchwood. I'm so thankful for that. But it does get worse before it gets better. I got put on Accutane during my 10th boards, and I finished my dose in the middle of 11th. That was like 9 months. I finished my dose in the middle of 11th, and then I got to 12th grade and I had boards again, and I was like super stressed, and I was like not sleeping well, I wasn't eating right, and that led to my acne coming back again. Honestly, it wasn't even as close to what it was before, but it did come back. And I took Accutane again. This time it was for 2 or 3 months. I'm honestly not too sure. I think it was 3 months. And I took the 10 mg for 3 months. And I was also put on zinc supplements. Zinc is supposed to help your skin as well, so I'll put the benefits right here. That time it cleared my acne for good, and now I haven't gotten like acne again. Obviously, I'm not gonna say that my skin is perfect now. It's definitely not. I still do get pimples when I have my periods. I still do get pimples when I'm not sleeping right, not eating right, but it's not even as close to what it used to be, because it used to be so much worse. Also, please know that like I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube that say that how to get rid of your acne in 1 week, how to get rid of your acne in 1 month. Trust me, all of that is not going to work. I don't want you to feel like you're going to get rid of your acne in a week, because that's not possible. That's not how your skin works. That's not how it works. Trust me, it's not going to work like that. You need to be patient. Trust me, you need to be patient. Even though I was put on Accutane for 9 months the first time, my acne started clearing up tremendously within the 4-5 months of the usage, and it honestly changed my life. But also know that no matter what cream you use, no matter what dermat you go to, your acne will not clear up in 1 week or even 1 month if it's severe acne. So just be patient. Trust me, it takes time. It honestly does, but then it's really, really worth it. Don't try to like, try different products and rush into all of this. Please be patient. I know it's hard, but please be patient. It does get better. Trust me, I'm literally living proof it gets better, and if I can do it, so can you. Honestly, the other things apart from Accutane that I did was I started drinking a lot more water. Trust me, water is so beneficial, and it doesn't even taste like anything, so just drink it. Honestly, like, I didn't drink a lot. I didn't drink even like 8 glasses of water a day, but then I started drinking a lot of water during that time, and it did help a lot. And cut down on dairy if you can, cut down on sugar, cut down on junk food. I'm not saying don't eat it at all. I'm not saying I didn't eat it at all. Definitely that's not true. I did eat it, but I limited the quantity of like how much I was eating out, how much I was intaking like dairy and sugar. So trust me, when you see your acne getting better, you're not going to want to eat things or do things that aggravate your acne. Honestly, my dermat, she told me not to put makeup on at all, but that honestly wasn't possible for me. I did put makeup, but I put very minimal. Like, I put little bit. Like, I didn't put it as much as I used to. Obviously I did put a little bit, because for me, going outside the house, having acne and not wearing makeup was impossible. Like, I just could not do it. And if you're able to do that, I'm honestly so happy for you. I wish I was like that when I had acne, because wow, I did not have the confidence to do that. But if you do, I'm so happy for you. Try limiting the amount of makeup you put, because honestly it does really help a lot. I've seen a difference and it does help. So just try limiting the amount of makeup that you put. When I had acne, I would go out with my mom, like to the mall or something, and I would honestly, like, obviously, like, I'm not gonna put on like a full face of makeup, a full face of foundation just to like go grocery shopping to the mall or something. So honestly, like, I would not put on foundation, or at least too much foundation at that time. And then every time my mom and I would be like at the mall, I would honestly pray that I don't see anybody that I know, because I didn't want them to see me without makeup. I mean, honestly, like, my classmates and my friends that I went to school with, like, they've obviously seen me without makeup, because I'm not gonna wake up at 6 a.m. to put foundation on my face before school. That's not gonna happen. Like, my other friends who weren't in the same school with me, who followed me on Instagram but have never, like, seen me in real life, like, honestly, I would be so paranoid that I'm going to run into somebody like when I don't have foundation on, and they're gonna see what my skin looks like. And I was so insecure of that. Like, oh my god. I'm so thankful that it changed my life, that Accutane worked for me. And I know there are a lot of side effects, that's why a lot of people are skeptical about it, but trust me, it is so worth it. Because honestly, not having acne made my confidence boost up so much. Like, I'm sitting here and I'm filming a video without makeup on. If this was maybe like a year or two ago, I wouldn't have been able to do this. And I'm so glad that my acne has gone away, and I hope, touch wood, it doesn't come back. I want you guys to know that you guys aren't alone. If my acne can get better, so can yours. Trust me. But also, it takes time. Just trust the process and it will be fine. Your acne will go away, everything will be okay, and it will get better. I promise. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.